Welcome to EXTRUDESIGN.com. In this video we will talk about wire gauges and how to use them. Let's get started. These wire gauges are available in a circular or oblong shape, and it is having notches along the edges of the shape, and each notch is stamped with wire size number. See the wire gauge picture as shown on the right side. This wire gauge can also be used to find out the thickness of sheet metal as well. The available wire gauges are ranging from 0.1 mm to 10 mm. The most common names for this wire gauge is SWG, which means standard wire gauge. This wire gauge is constructed by improving Birmingham wire gauge aka Stubbs iron wire gauge. The metric wire size standard used in most parts of the world. This wire gauge can also be used to find out the thickness of sheet metal as well. The available wire gauges are ranging from 0.1 mm to 10 mm. Let us see how we can measure with the wire gauge. Take the wire or a sheet, and try to insert into the notch. It should pass through the notch. Check the wire gauge images as shown in here. If the wire passes through the notch very freely, then try to pass it through the adjacent small notch. If the wire passes through the notch with the correct tightness, then it will be the size of the wire. Take the size number from the wire gauge notch. We will have a conversion tables for the wire diameter corresponding to the gauge size. Check the link in the description for the full article. You can find these conversion tables. If the wire didn't pass through the notch, then try to pass it through the adjacent bigger notch. See the following GIF images to understand the procedure in clearer manner. The different types of wire gauges are American wire gauge and standard wire gauge. The difference between these wire gauges are the standards. This is all about the wire gauges. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified.